Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your board private. So let's go to Pinterest first. Log into Pinterest, then click on your profile icon on top right corner. This one. Then you'll find here your board. Just click on that specific board what you want to make private, like this one. Click on this three dot icon beside the board name. Go edit board, scroll down and you'll find here this option, keep this board secret, so you and collaborator can see this. So if you want to make this private, check this, must check this or tick this and click on this. Done. Alright, your board is on now private. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.